Okay, so this is the first one you should have done on your own. Practice problems 1 and 2. We're simplifying, we're not solving. So all we're going to do here is combine like terms. Start, I have an x, a negative 1x. I'm going to put the 1 there for myself. And I have a positive 3x, negative 1 plus 3. Signs are different. So I do 3 minus 1. It's 2x. Keep the sign of the larger. I have more positives. Then I have a positive 5y. There are no other y's, so it stays positive 5y. And I have a negative 2. There are no other constants, so this is what I get when I combine like terms. Number 2. 3y and 5y, they're both positive. Add them up to get 8y. Then I have a negative 2 and a positive 3. Those are constants. They're like terms. Signs are different, so I subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. I have more positives, so it is plus 1. Final answer.